Welcome to MGRM CBSE Accreditation. MGRM is Multi-Domain Global Relationship Management, a life cycle-based approach from delivery to development. Our vision is to make an individual a complete personality. MGRM is a CBSE impaneled accreditation agency. Here are some terminologies. SQAA, School Quality Assessment and Accreditation. SQAAF, School Quality Assessment and Accreditation Form. SAC, School Accreditation Committee. PAT, Peer Assessment Team. SQER, School Quality Enhancement Report. SQAAR, School Quality Assessment and Accreditation Report. Accreditation is defined as an affirmation of quality. Why accreditation? It certifies to the public that an institution is recognized, trustworthy, and of quality. Schools that have an established level of excellence are awarded accreditation. Our vision is to provide a quality benchmark within an institution in accordance with changing socioeconomic and cultural context and new research. Our vision is to assess through standardized instruments and processes of internal and external assessment, and to encourage sustained qualitative enhancement. Our mission is to arrange for periodic assessment and accreditation, to stimulate a quality learning environment, and to promote a student-centered, non-discriminatory curriculum with enough scope for innovation and research. Our mission is to encourage self-evaluation and objective peer review, to encourage schools to continually draw from all the stakeholders, students, parents, teachers, management, and local community members, and to strengthen and encourage the initiative as envisioned by CBSE from time to time. Here are some objectives of accreditation: to assess and endorse that an institution meets established standards, to assess the effectiveness of an institution in creating the most innovative, relevant, socially conscious, eco-oriented learning environment, to involve the faculty comprehensively in institutional evaluation and planning for enhanced effectiveness of a school, to establish criteria for professional certification and upgrading of standards, to encourage continuous self-assessment, accountability, and autonomy in innovation in school education, to encourage continuous professional development and capacity building of teachers. School quality is a complex issue and should be seen in a holistic manner. There is no simple view of a high-quality education system. Good education is closely interconnected with cultural, political, social, and economical contexts. To establish a quality assurance system, start by analyzing various aspects of excellence in education and defining its own idea of quality. Accreditation in context. There are 11,500 affiliated schools in India and abroad, including large clusters like the KVS, the JNVS, the Central Tibetan Schools Association, and others. Objectives of the board are to serve the educational institutions effectively and to serve the educational needs of the students. CBSE accreditation aims at fostering quality assurance. Value framework includes nurturing national pride, nation building, creating global citizens, inculcating values among students, promoting the use of technology, and creating hubs of excellence. The need for quality assurance. Assessment and accreditation provide an incentive for self-study and self-improvement. Reassures external stakeholders such as employers, professional bodies, and the general public about the legitimate quality of the school. Vouch for the competence of the institution assessed to provide education of a high standard. Enhance the responsiveness of communities of learners. Enhance that institutions prepare the students for citizenship responsibilities, successful careers, acquisition of life skills, and lifelong learning, and help institutions in capacity building. What are the advantages of receiving accreditation? The school is able to maintain a level of quality Students are able to assess themselves against acceptable set of norms. Parents are assured of sets of standards of teaching and learning. The processes benefit all stakeholders within the school system. Accreditation facilitates institutions in recognizing their strengths and weaknesses. It empowers schools' policymakers, and it gives the community, society, and industry the assurance of obtaining ethical, high-quality professionals. Salient benefits. Management and principals will become oriented towards quality in school education. There will be more transparency and clarity of thoughts and action. There will be personal orientation of leadership towards various domains in school quality. Teachers and staff will have larger understanding of the school education process apart from simple classroom teaching. Non-teaching staff shall be able to gain insight in different domains of school education. Parents and students will understand and appreciate school quality and experience increased confidence in the quality of education. Parents can now distinguish between quality schools and school brands. Schools become responsive and proactive to current needs. Salient benefits for the community include serving the need for better school quality, establishing school education standards, matching schools with international standards, enhancing quality through reliable assessment tools, enhancing stakeholders' confidence in schools, and assisting government and others to frame policy. School accreditation is not a mechanism to assess individual staff performance, a mechanism to compare schools, a one-time event, or a school inspection. School accreditation is data-driven school improvement, built on self-assessment process that is inclusive, providing opportunities for professional growth, providing accountability at all levels, consistent with government's stated aim to continually improve schools, strengthening school-community relations, an ongoing process that continues over cycles, and impetus for change. Features and parameters of accreditation. To be accredited, schools must meet the required standards of school quality assessment and accreditation, engage in continuous improvement, and demonstrate quality assurance through internal and external reviews. Parameters of accreditation involve a two-step process. Self-review through school quality assessment and accreditation form, and external validation through peer assessment team visits. Accreditation is valid for 3 years. Domains of school quality assessment and accreditation. Scholastic processes. Co-scholastic processes. Infrastructure. Human resource. Management and administration. Leadership. Beneficiary satisfaction. Structure of accreditation is as follows. Domains have subdomains, which in turn may have sub-subdomains, for a total of 74 standards. In the subsequent slides, the number in brackets indicates the number of standards. Scholastic academic processes and outcomes. Subdomain 1.1 curriculum planning. 7 standards. 1.2 teaching learning processes. 5. 1.3 student assessment and performance. 6. 2. Co-scholastic processes and outcomes. Subdomain 2.1 life skills. 2. 2.2 value systems. 1. 2.3 attitudes. 1. 2.4 work education. 1. 2.5 visual and performing arts. 1. 2.6 co-scholastic activities. 1. 2.7 health and physical activities. Health card. 1. 3. Infrastructure, adequacy, functionality, and aesthetics. Subdomains. 3.1 classroom, library, laboratory, computer lab, and ICT facilities, playground and transportation facilities. 5. 3.2 principal's office, staff room, and administrative offices. 1. 3.3 sports and games facilities, hobby rooms, arts and music dance facilities. 1. 3.4 girls' restroom, Infirmary, water and sanitation, health management facilities. 1. 3.5. Furniture, lighting, and ventilation. 1. 3.6. Safety and disaster management provisions. Fire extinguisher, emergency exit, DM club, drill. 1. 3.7. Provisions for differently abled children and inclusive practices. 1. 3.8. Eco-friendly orientation, aesthetics, lawns and green plants. 1. 4. Human resources. Subdomain. 4.1. School staff, teaching and non-teaching. 7. 4.2. Parents. 1. 4.3. Alumni. 1. 4.4. Students. 1. 5. Management and administration. Subdomain. 5.1. Institutional planning mechanism. 1. 5.2. Institutional improvement and process of accreditation and certification. 1. 5.3. Goal setting and policy making. 1. 5.4. Effective coordination within the school. 1. 5.5. Resource management. 1. 5.6. Relationship management. Staff, parents, community, alumni, etc. 1. 5.7. Activity management. 1. 5.8. Data and record maintenance. 1. 5.9. Oral and written communication. 1. 5.10. Standard operating procedures. 1. 5.11. Financial administration. 1. 6. Leadership. Subdomain. 6.1. Vision and mission statement. 1. 6.2. Strategic plans for school improvement. 1. 6.3. Quality and change management. 1. 6.4. Scholastic leadership. 1. 6.5. Collaborative leadership. 1. 6.6. Innovative practices. 1. 7. Beneficiary satisfaction. Subdomain. 7.1. Student satisfaction. 1. 7.2. Teacher satisfaction. 1. 7.3. Office staff. 1. 7.4. Principal. 1. 7.5. Management. 1. 7.6. Parents and alumni. 1. 7.7. Community. 2. In the final analysis, not all domains are equally weighed. Scholastic processes get 25% weightage. Co-scholastic processes get 15%. Infrastructure, 15. Human resource, 10. Management and administration, 10%. Leadership, 15. Beneficiary satisfaction, 5. And beneficiary satisfaction questionnaires, 5%, totaling 100%. Accreditation, in a nutshell, is easy. Why? In essence, it validates what CBSE-affiliated school would ideally be doing in terms of compliance with affiliation, processes as laid out in the affiliation and examination bylaws, notifications and updates, CCE implementation, National Curriculum Framework 2005, policy and working documents and updates, RTI, RTE. In essence, it includes good school practices. It's also easy as it gives a framework and direction to what you are already doing or aspiring to do. There are 3 steps in the process for accreditation: pre-accreditation, accreditation, and post-accreditation. There are 8 steps in the pre-accreditation process. Step 1, School Accreditation Committee, SAC, is formed. Step 2, Fill Form of Intent. Step 3, Letter from MGRM PAT to school. Step 4, Fill Mandatory Disclosure Form and Post and Website. Step 5, SQAA Undertaking Form. Step 6, Fill SQAA Form. Step 7, SQAA Assessment by Peer Assessor Team, PAT. Step 8, Parents Fill Online Questionnaire. The accreditation process is Step 9, School Visit by PAT, Peer Assessor Team. opening meetings, collecting and analyzing evidence, PAT observations, hand-holding and mentoring meetings. The post-accreditation process begins with Step 10, PAT complete scoring. Step 11, PAT Fill School Quality Enhancement Report, SQER. Step 12A, if not qualifying, scorecard and SQER submitted to school. Step 12B, if qualifying, scorecard and School Quality Assessment and Accreditation Report, SQAAR, submitted to CBSE. Step 13, School Informed of Accreditation, status hosted in CBSE website. Step 14, schoolwork on the SQER towards enhancing its standards. Thank you for joining us in this presentation.